fiscal deficit.
Fiscal deficit.
Fiscal deficit.
You've heard this phrase again and again, especially during the budget speech. But what does fiscal deficit really mean? Let's break it down. Simply put, fiscal deficit is the difference between what the government spends and what it earns. But why is it a deficit? We know that the government has various sources of revenue. For example, the taxes that you and I pay, dividends from entities and companies the government owns. All of this goes into the government revenue bucket. The government also spends a lot of money on roads, infrastructure, salaries of government employees, pension, etc. Now, most of the time, the government ends up spending more than it actually earns. So this difference between what the government spends and what it earns, when it spends more than it earns, is called fiscal deficit. How does the government bridge the gap? By borrowing money from markets, from you and me, through bonds and schemes such as the popular sovereign gold bonds. But borrowing isn't free. The more the government borrows, the higher the debt and interest costs. This can also lead to inflation. That's why the government sets a fiscal deficit target each year. For FY 25-26, the target is 4.4% of GDP. So next time you hear the finance minister talk about fiscal deficit, you'll know it's not just jargon. It's the heartbeat of India's economy. Don't forget to share this with someone who needs a quick explainer of what fiscal deficit means.